Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my viewers. This is our eighth video of our how to write a PhD research proposal, part 8. In the last video, when I told that I will be able to write, the next one will be about the remaining parts of the support for PhD students. So I received a lot of comments. I will discuss one by one, but first we see how to write a PhD research proposal. Before start, I would request you to please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Applied Linguistics group, and also you can also go on the Facebook, and also you can write questions there. The material somebody is asking, send by email. Some formats, as I discussed in the previous parts, will be sent those who have subscribed my channel, the required material, what they want, whether they are the students of PhD, whether they are the students of MPhil, English Linguistics, or whether they are the students of Master in English, Bachelor, the material will be sent to them. Okay, what are the three main reasons of having a research proposal? The first question. Ideally, it will demonstrate the quality and importance of your project as well as your ability to conduct the proposed research. The proposal also gives you the opportunity to think through your research project, to refine your focus and to predict any challenges that may arise. In any university, when you finish your coursework, if you are not an MPhil student, so you have to go first for a defense of a proposal, and that is one of the most critical type of writing time that needs your writing ability. What should it include? Generally, it's a general question. Project title. Yeah, what is your research proposal title? Your title should clearly indicate what your proposed research is about. Research supervisor's name there. Proposed mode of research, you are by research, you are regular, whatever mode it is. Aims and objectives, okay, synopsis, you must have background, expected research contribution, proposed methodology, you must know, before writing research, you must read some books on research methodologies. For example, when I was there, I read a book of research methodology in education and applied linguistics by Frankel. Okay, and there are some other Norman on applied linguistics, and some books I read about Noam Chomsky. So normally the doctoral research proposal takes some time than other research proposals because it's high level, longer than usually. And there are different formats of different universities. Usually 3 chapters you have to write. It takes normally 4 to 6 months, while other takes maximum 2 months to complete. But sometimes it takes 6 months. It depends on your ability. So, but sometimes when you have to get admission, they say write a synopsis of research proposal. You are sitting in your country and applying for a PhD admission. So you can finish in within 500 words also, because that is not that research proposal. That is actually, they want to see your idea in mind. You initiate research, such type of research proposal that should have approximately 500 words, include an outline of your research interest, details your initial thoughts about a topic, have references to previous work, discuss the methodology and general approach you wish to take. Okay, that's some university they ask for a statement from yourself. So, but the original research proposal, when you are in a PhD process, that should have 3 chapters. It's longer. 2,500 words to 3,000 words. Do you need a research proposal to apply for a PhD? That's a big question some students are asking. It depends on the university. It varies from university to university. If you decide to design your research project, you need to write a research proposal. So you will form, I think, a central part of your PhD application with a research proposal or with a type of synopsis. Okay, what is the basic structure of this type of research proposal if you are going for a PhD admission? As I think it should have introduction, research aims and questions, okay, study project design, and review of literature. Some literature you should have some citations, reference list, timeline, and expected outcomes, a very small one, or impact you can say. So in general, how a research consists of the following elements: background to the topic, significance and research problem, research aims and questions, review of literature. These are the main things. So if you are going in detail, should a PhD proposal be, okay? And how detailed should a PhD proposal be? That's a question. I think research proposal in detail may vary in length. It is different. So it is important to check with the department or some departments to which you are applying to. You're applying Department of Physics, you're applying Department of Chemistry, you're applying Department of Biology, you're applying Department of Sociology, Applied Linguistics, okay, English Literature. So to check word limit and guidelines, okay. Every department has something, some different guidelines. Generally speaking, a proposal be around, as I already told you, 3,000 words, which you write as part of the application process. Sometimes some universities, they have very short synopsis, some have 3 chapters. So how many pages is a PhD research proposal? So count 3,000 words will be, I think, 6 pages approximately. Okay, you will probably need to write 4 to 6 pages, 8 pages sometimes. With reference, it can be 10 pages. Okay, to be able to address the key components outlined in these guidelines, you should include a list of references. So you will, so what you will do first when you will write a research proposal, that's the first question, okay? The first part of your proposal is the initial pitch for your project. So make sure it succinctly explains what you want to do and why you want to do. What is the reason? What is the gap you want to fill? It should introduce the topic, give background and context, okay? So this is a type of initial part 8. So you have to see about research proposal. The details I will again tell in the next part, number 9. Okay, some other details which are left here because the time of the video should be limited. So people should be able to facilitate one by one to see. The rest of the things I will tell you in the remaining part of the coming part number 9. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day, and wait for my video 9 for further information on the PhD research proposal, how to write. And then our part 10 will be how to go for a defense of research proposal. So there are techniques I will tell you, inshallah, hopefully. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Wait for the next part.